Hello there. Today we will be showing you how to easily move objects around with the Force.
When using the light side of the Force, it's very important to clear your mind of all intense emotions. Feelings of anger and hatred will inhibit your ability to use the Force. For example, if I just beat Seth here in Mario Kart, he will likely be rather upset and will not be able to summon tissues in which to cry.
So, step 1 is to clear your emotions. You can do this through deep breathing or other relaxation techniques. If you are feeling anger, you can balance these negative emotions by thinking of happy things, such as Schnanderson.
Step 2 is visualizing the object moving into your hand. Simply imagine the object floating towards you.
For step 3, all you have to do is stretch out your hand towards the object. If you're reaching out with your feelings, the object should be pulled right into your hand.
Step 4 is to try using your new powers in everyday life. There are many helpful applications of this. I'll give you a few. Let's say you're sitting down on your couch and you don't want to get up, but you want to have the TV remote. Use the Force. Or flipping a light switch. Or getting those tissues after you lose in Mario Kart. Unfortunately, since you are now a Force wielder, the Empire is probably tracking you down.
In our last video, we talked about how to use a lightsaber. Step 5 is to defeat the Stormtroopers using your lightsaber and the Force skills you have acquired.
Simply deflect the blaster fire as it comes at you. Eventually, the blasters will overheat, and you will have an opportunity to put them off balance with the Force.
Step 6 is to toss the Stormtroopers back into space. Remember, all you need to do is calm yourself and visualize where you want to move the Stormtroopers.
Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and remember to use the Force whenever you can.
And be sure to subscribe for more Jedi tutorials.